Alright, so it's the next day and I've got this solved. This is the best solution for this, and I'm just glad it's over. Trip 4, problem solved. So I went back to AutoZone to take those strong, shiny, new, and useless scrub blades back, and the associate behind the counter right away was like, "These aren't ours, we don't sell these." And I was like, "Yes you do." And they're like, "No we don't." And I'm like, "Yes you do." And right before they were about to say, "No we don't" again, I whip out the receipt and push it across the counter, and I'm like, "Yes you do." So I'm kind of getting quizzed now on why I'm returning these. So I had to briefly explain that, you know, hey, these are the right size, but they do not fit my car. And they're like, "Well, what do you mean they don't fit your car?" And I'm like, they tuck under my hood a little, and these will absolutely, you know, these will not work for on my particular vehicle. So the associate goes on to say, "Do you have the car here?" And I'm like, "Well, yeah." And they're like, "Well, do you want, you know, me to go out there and put them on for you?" And I'm thinking, oh, hell no. So I kind of had to explain, look, I can do a lot harder jobs on the car than just replacing simple wiper blades. I'm here for the 4th time. These do not work. Can you please, you know, refund this back to my credit card? And they're like, okay. So I started inquiring about refills. That's the answer here, is to get a refill, put it back in the original blade, which I believe this was the original blade all along. So I got these Anco U-20Rs, probably universal or something, 20-inch refill, and the stock blade. To get the old blade out, I already took it out. It's pretty easy. At the end here, there's just this little tab. Normally this is kind of bent straight down. I bent it out a little so you can slip the refill in and out. So it's a pretty easy process. Let's take that new one out. Now this new one comes with this little metal clip on the end, which in this instance we don't need it, so we're just going to take it off of there. More garbage. Get the new one on. I'm just going to slide it in that one end where I bent the tab. This way I can get it in. Just walk it along into all those grooves. Come on, you're a little fussy there. There we go. So it's now fully seated in all the grooves. And then this end tab, all I gotta do is bend that down, which it's pretty thin. I can just probably push it with my finger. Yeah, see? That's good. Just a little more. There we go. The wiper will normally just kind of slide back and forth, but now it's super simple. Now I have a decent looking blade, which looked just like the old blade. Brand new rubber. It's gonna fit. It's not gonna hit the hood. It was the Anco refill. What do we spend today? $11.49 plus tax. $12.64. That's more like it. I mean, I'd hate to think somebody would take their car somewhere and $35 a blade plus a, you know, a little bit of an install fee. Maybe they get charged like I don't know, $90, and somebody puts the wrong blades on their car. It's going to hit the hood and scratch the paint. So oh, and when I bent that little tab out, I used these right here because they have a flat surface on it, and, you know, comparatively to like regular needle nose, which have the grooves, which would probably just chip and rub off the paint on the end. So let's go pop this on the car. I'm done. Yay. Problem solved. Thank God. $12.64. Thanks for watching.